Remember?
Yes, sir. We had done
Part
this
for
also.
whole, whole
This
for
call is
part.
now being recorded.
Sir, we had done simile, metaphor, then apostrophe.
Onomatopoeia also we had done.
Yes, sir. Onomatopoeia done.
The actual sounds of some objects.
Yes, sir.
I've shown you some examples.
Yes.
Alliteration we will continue now, without
Yes.
wasting much time. So what is alliteration? Consonant sounds are repeated especially at the beginning of the word. Now, first of
So
all,
can
we
I
should
say,
know what are consonants.
sir, means for example, there are given five words. In all that five words, the first letter is, for example, A. So it is alliteration.
Okay, but there is one mistake because what you said A. So A is not a consonant, it is a vowel.
Acha, ha, okay, yes, yes, correct.
A, E,
A, E, I, O, U.
these are
Except these
vowels.
five, all are consonants.
Yes, these five are vowels. So these five are not consonants and rest 21 alphabets in
Yes, sir.
ABCD are
The
are
consonants.
what? Consonants. So this A, E, I, O, U will not come. All other
Mm,
alphabets are called consonants. So
yes.
as you said, Mohammed, as the alphabets are repeated at the beginning of the words, that is called alliteration, especially at the beginning. Not
Yes,
necessary
sir.
always at the beginning, but mostly at the beginning of the words.
Sir,
Yes?
alliteration, repetitive, especially in beginning, and they can be at last letter also, no?
Yes. But
Last
mostly at the
letter and
beginning.
beginning.
See, don't drink and drive. Here, let's see.
Yes,
P, the word alphabet D.
yes, sir.
Then I thought a thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Yes.
Yes, sir.
These are tongue twisters. You know tongue twister. Tongue twisters, do you all know?
No,
Tongue twisters which we use for English speaking practice.
okay, sir. Sir,
There
alliteration
are
has, they can be in two letters also and can be in one letter also.
what?
Means we had given this thought example, so it is common is th.
Yes, th.
So it can be first two also, and it can be only first also,
Yes.
like that.
Did
No?
you know this
Okay.
brand names, famous brand names? Coca-Cola, Kit Kat,
Yes, sir.
cartoons, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. Even these things follow alliteration. How are these names of the companies made? It is made using this figure of
C
speech.
K K
Were
M
you
M
knowing
D
this?
D.
But were you knowing that how these companies' names are made? How are they thought
No.
using this figure of speech? Alliteration. And you know the person who makes the names, they also get lakhs of rupees. Do you know that?
No, sir.
You can design any company's name with this help of alliteration. Do you understand alliteration is there over here? Here
Yes,
CC
sir.
is there.
K K M
M
M D D.
M yes. Many shops names in Bhavnagar also you will see
Yes, sir.
like Blueberry, Blue Buddha,
Yes, sir.
many are there. Pun is a figure of speech which is kind of double meaning. Sometimes we talk in double meaning. That is pun. It is play on words. Means you use the same word in a different way. It is a funny way of using the
Yes.
word. And that word has more than one meaning. When you speak in a literal meaning, it is different. But actually it has two meanings. That is called double meaning.
Yes.
That is called pun. It is asked very
Okay.
less in exam, but you should learn it.
Yes.
See, a bicycle cannot stand on its own because it is too tired. So what is the pun over here?
Can't stand.
Too tired. Here too tired means the two wheels of the bicycle. That is the literal meaning. But one more meaning is there. Too tired means बहुत थक गई है. Very tired.
Yes, sir.
So here it is TWO. Actually it should be TOO2. Too tired. Very tired. But while speaking, you can speak that in double meaning. That the bicycle is too tired means बहुत थक
Yes,
गई.
sir.
But actually, the bicycle won't get tired. You will, but bicycle won't get.
Yes, sir.
So that is pun. Double meaning it has.
Yes.
How do celebrities stay cool?
Yes, sir.
How do
Sir, many
celebrities stay?
fans.
So you understood the meaning.
Yes, sir. Many fans mean pankhe.
Yes, the literal meaning is fan, the machine. But fans are
Yes.
also the followers of the celebrities. So isn't it a pun? Two different meaning it suggests.
Yes, sir.
Then one important one, antithesis. This is very important.
Okay.
A person a person thing that is the direct opposite of someone or something else. Two opposite ideas are put together in a sentence. Remember, not opposite words, but opposite ideas.
Idea.
Two different, two opposite thoughts in one sentence. Two totally different opposite thoughts are there in one sentence. That is called antithesis.
Okay.
See the examples, you will understand. You have read this in social.
क्या sir?
United we stand, divided we fall.
No sir,
Mean
ऐसा ऐसे नहीं लिखा हमने.
when when we are together, we can stand, we can fight against anything.
Yes.
But when we divide, we make groups in our country, then we cannot fight against our enemies.
Like
Then we
India,
fall down.
Pakistan.
Yes, so two opposite thoughts. If we are united, if we are all one, then we can stand.
Yes.
But if we divide, then we fall. So you see,
Opposite
two
of what
opposite
standing?
ideas are there. Two opposite ideas are there.
Yes sir.
That is called antithesis.
Okay sir.
Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Now you know what is the meaning of injustice and justice.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What?
Justice mean uh, everything, everyone's happy.
Sir, justice means the court gives both the members to the justice.
Justice is doing something right, honest. Injustice is
Yes,
dishonesty.
yes,
Justice
sir.
is insaf.
मेरा
Injustice is nainsafi.
Nine.
तो ऐसा नहीं है.
So, if you see injustice anywhere and you don't stop that, then it will spread and it will become a
Yes sir.
threat. Wherever there is
So threat
justice,
means
threat matlab डर.
Okay.
So injustice anywhere, if injustice is happening at any one place in India, if we don't stop it, then it is a threat to justice everywhere. Wherever justice
Yes, sir.
is taking place, there it will stop and injustice will
Yes,
take
sir.
place.
Barabar.
So two opposite ideas,
Yes,
injustice
sir.
anywhere and justice everywhere, antithesis.
Yes, sir.
Then see here, speech is silver and silence is golden. Two opposite ideas. If you speak, your speech is good, it is like silver. But silence, if you are quiet, then it is even better. It is golden. You know, in Gujarati also it is there. बोले तेना बोर वेचाय, no बोले तेमा
तो
नव
सर
बोर.
हम चुप हो जाए ना सर, हमको गोल्डन मिल जाएगा सिल्वर के बदले.
You are
Right. So
right,
you
Mohammed.
both are equally good, silver and gold.
Sir, in
But
this sentence you had written, no, so we are telling. Now we will quiet, not speaking anything.
huh, good. So you understood two opposite ideas?
Yes, sir.
Speech silver and silence golden. So these are examples of which figure of speech?
Antithesis.
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 Then next is paradox. Paradox means it is the statement that appears to be illogical, but it is actually valid or true. Sounds senseless. You will think that it has no sense. It is like nonsense, but when you read it twice or thrice, then you will understand the literal meaning. Then you will understand
Sir, I
that
understand.
yes, this is the hidden truth inside it.
I
Yes,
understood.
Moinuddin, you said something?
Sir, in a sentence we think that it has no logic, but in that there is something true thing.
Yes. See, the three examples.
The child is father of the man.
Explain, how do you think that this is paradox?
Okay, sir.
Not okay.
Sir, we're reading
Sir,
and
because
understanding and then telling
every
you.
child has to become father one time.
What?
The child has to become father one time in future.
See, first of all, it sounds nonsense. That there is no sense. How can child be a father of man, right?
Yes, sir.
But it has meaning. It is a proverb. People's personalities form when they are children. हमारी personality कब develop होती है? When we are children, in our teenage,
Yes, sir.
right? So people's personalities form when they are children. A person will have the same qualities as an adult that he or she had as a child. Whatever qualities you have in your childhood, that qualities you will have in your adulthood also, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the meaning. The child is the father of the man.
Okay, sir.
So actually, it had no meaning. First you read, it was like no, it was like nonsense. But now you understood.
Yes.
Then what is next?
Less is more.
Less
Yes.
is more.
What is the meaning?
થોડુંક વધારે
You
છે.
know what? I'll tell you. See, less is more is less. Have you heard this?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes.
meaning? I'll tell you. See, some people have a lot of money. They are very, very
Yes, sir.
rich, crores of rupees.
Yes, sir.
But then they face some very big problems which they cannot
Mm.
come out from, or some kind of diseases. We pray to God that no one gets that kind of thing, but you might have seen this.
Mm.
So this phrase,
અમીર ગરીબ
less
થઈ જાય ને ગરીબ અમીર થઈ જાય.
less is more means that having just essential things is better than having way too much of superfluous things. It is better, we should pray to God every day when you pray namaz, that God please give us the things that we need, We don't want too much of things. Don't give us the things which overflows. Do not give us superfluous things that we cannot handle, because
Yes, sir.
less is more. If you have less, it is more for you. कम है लेकिन वो ज्यादा है. We should be happy with what
Yes,
we
sir.
have.
हाँ सर.
Then I am nobody means
मैं कोई नहीं हूँ.
but how? See, if someone says that
मैं कुछ
a
नहीं कर
person,
सकता.
if someone says that a person is nobody, they are saying in an unkind way, in a rude way, that the person is not at all important. So it has some meaning, right? All these three sentences.
Yes, sir.
So what is this example for?
Paradox.
So it sounds illogical, but it is actually valid. Now comes one of the best figures of speech, irony, a surprise. When you expect something happens, but what happens is totally different. It is also used for suspense and interest of reader. It is like sarcasm, kataksh, taunting.
Yes.
So it is like the same thing, irony. When you surprise the reader by writing something which he or she we must not have expected. Especially in the movies, it is used a lot. If you have seen,
Yes, sir.
it is also called like sarcasm.
Okay, sir.
See, water, water everywhere, but not to drink. What is the meaning?
Water is everywhere, but it is
We
drinkless.
cannot drink
Why?
because ocean water is salty water and we cannot drink salty water.
Yes, you are on a ship. You don't have your water bottle with you. There is no jug. There is no source of drinking water. But you are in the middle of the ocean. A lot of water is there which you have never seen in your lifetime.
Hmm.
But still, can you drink?
No.
No.
No. That is a kind of irony. That water is there everywhere, but it is not.
Sir, your voice is not
Audible.
coming. No, sir, your voice was cutting.
Okay. I'm speaking again.
Yes, sir, cutting.
Ocean water is not drinkable. So though we
Yes,
have
sir.
water everywhere, but it is not drinkable. That is irony.
Hmm. Hmm.
The student was given excellent on getting zero in the exam. That is also irony. Irony one, like sarcasm.
Sir,
You
તમે
You
are
આપશો
laugh.
ને excellent.
angry. That excellent, you got zero.
Yes. You laughed at a person
Sir,
who slipped stepping on a banana peel, and the next thing you know, you have also slipped.
क्या sir?
When a person slipped
જાણે કે હું પડ્યો તો
stepping
તું
on a
હસી
banana
અને
peel,
તું પડ્યો
you
તો
also
તું
slip
હસ.
down if you laugh. That is irony with you.
Hmm.
You know, when you are talking a lot in the class, sometimes the teachers say that, yes, very good, continue. That is irony. Exactly opposite of what the teacher means. The teacher will speak. The next is hyperbole.
Hyperbole वाला.
An overstatement used in order to emphasize a point. Hyperbole is also called an overstatement, exaggeration.
ज्यादा हो
Means
गया.
speaking more than what is needed. You don't have to speak more than what you speak. That is called
ज्यादा
hyperbole.
हो गया.
And yes, many comedians, it is written over here like Kapil Sharma, the famous comedians, they also use this hyperbole for their acts to make people laugh. I am so tired, I could sleep for a year. Will you really sleep for a year?
No, sir.
It is just a way of speaking. Means I will sleep for many hours. Actually, it means that. Hyperbole. See, how is it easy to remember? In the spelling only it is given hyper.
Yes sir.
When you get hyper, you think more than what is needed.
ज्यादा बोल
Hyperbole.
दिया उसको हाइपर बोलते हैं.
I am so hungry, I could eat a horse. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Means that you are so hungry that you can eat anything and so much.
Yes, sir.
Somewhere ages and ages hence. This line has been taken
In
from the
Robert
poem.
Frost
Which poem?
poem.
What?
The road not taken, Robert Frost.
Yes, but how is it example of hyperbole? Can you explain? Hence means in the
Nama the
future.
bus.
Ages and ages means after so many years.
Hmm.
So tell me, why is it example of hyperbole? Because the words ages and ages is used to signify a long time. Means after 10, 20, 50 years. That is
Oh.
the meaning of this word. Ages and ages hence. So
Hmm.
this figure of speech is signifying a long time. But we don't know after a long time we would be there or not. How can we talk about the future? So this is something more than what is needed. The poet has written in
Yes.
the last stanza. Ages and ages means after a long time, after so many years. So
Yes,
he is
sir.
making a consideration, overstatement.
Hmm.
Now the 14th one is very easy. Very,
Start.
very easy. Light oats.
આના જે વહેલા નથી ને ક્લાસ પૂછી લેજો.
What are you saying?
મેસેજ આવ્યો હોય તો પૂછી લેજો.
Musani?
Musani is speaking to.
What is it called? Light oats.
Right out.
Positive
Light
idea
oats.
is expressed with negative word. Means when you want to speak something positive, but you use negative word for describing that
Sir.
positive idea. Sakib,
Sir, Sakib mic is on. We can't understand you.
Sakib, Sakib, please. Okay. So when you want to speak something positive, but you use negative words for speaking that positive thing, that is called light oats.
Yes,
Understood the
sir.
definition? It is very easy to identify in MCQ because there will be one word like no, not, never. All these words will be there.
Yes, sir.
Then it is called light oats.
Yes, sir.
See, it is not a bad idea. Means it is a good idea.
Yes, sir.
Negative word is there.
That was a bad word. That's bad idea.
He is not a bad singer. Means he is a pretty good singer.
Good singer. Sir, who good singer?
Again, not negative word.
Sir, who is
In
good
leaves,
singer?
no step at trodden black. Means it was unused road. See the negative word, no step. Means
Yes,
no one has
sir.
stepped on the leaves and said the leaves are green.
Hmm.
So again, negative word,
Yes, sir. Negative word.
unused road. This line is taken from which poem?
The road not taken.
Yeah.
Sir, you are mixing everything. English grammar.
What?
So, I don't know, revise
What?
easily.
He telling that English
એટલે
grammar is mixing.
I figure out TV
to
from the
understand
poem.
easy, sir, you understand easy, you are taking English also.
But
This.
in exam, where will figures of speech come from? It will come from
Poem.
poem.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
After this, we will do that only
Okay.
from the poem.
So, yeah,
Okay,
Now it is
Mohammed.
climax. You know, climax of the movie. Here the words are arranged in an increasing order of importance, ascending order, from smaller to bigger. Okay?
yes, sir.
And opposite of climax is anticlimax. In that, the words would be arranged in descending order, decreasing order of importance.
Yes,
But here
sir.
it is increasing order of importance.
Hmm.
See, do you understand this?
Let a man his duties to himself. His family, and his God.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Let a man his duties to himself, his family, and his God. So first comes himself, ascending order, my importance. First,
Hmm.
himself,
Himself,
and his family,
family,
and
and
God.
Family,
God.
then
Increasing order
body.
of importance. Then see, she dreamt of having a servant, a
A
car,
car
and
and
then
a
house. So
house.
first small, first a servant, then a car, a
Then house.
bigger thing than that, then a house.
Sir,
So
who dream?
ascending order. Just example.
Okay.
Nora today.
You understood these examples of
Yes,
climax?
sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Himself, family, God, then servant, car, house. He begs, he lies, he steals, he kills for gold. Again, climax. First he will beg, then he
Bag
will
means?
speak lies. Beg means big mangna.
Hmm.
Then if he will not get any money, he will speak lies. Then he will steal, and finally if he does not get, he will kill for gold. Gold means money over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So ascending order.
Hmm.
Then anticlimax. It is opposite
Opposite
of
of
climax.
climax.
So small.
Words are arranged in decreasing order, descending order of importance. See, he lost his family, his car, and his cell phone in an accident. So first, decreasing order of importance. So पहले सबसे important है वो family
Family.
and car and then cell phone. Here it is descending order. Remember, anti-climax का
Yes.
example है.
Hmm.
I die, I faint, I fail.
Sir, faint
But how is
means?
it possible? Faint means बेहोश हो जाना, गिर जाना.
Acha.
But how is it possible? The person first fails, then he will faint, and then finally he will die, right?
Yes, sir.
But here it is descending, decreasing
Descending.
order.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this example?
Yes, sir.
What is this example of?
Anticlimax.
Not anti-climax. Anti-climax. You said anti-climax.
Anticlimax, sir.
Mohammed.
No, you said anti-climax. Everyone heard that.
Yes, yes. This recording is proof.
Sir, please check
Anticlimax.
recording for proof.
Yes, the recording is proof.
Yes,
Okay.
but you said
You said
anti-climax.
anti-climax.
Yes, Mohammed.
Mohammed, this is not your
Sir,
anti.
recording is proof.
Anticlimax.
Yes. It is proof that you said anti-climax.
No, sir.
Yes,
It is
yes.
proved that I said
No, no,
anti-climax.
Still
no,
you are
you
saying
are not.
anti-climax. See, next is euphemism. Euphemism. E is silent. Using polite or nicer words for speaking something upsetting or bad news, like human body, death, etc. It makes something bad sound good. When you want to speak about a fact which is very bad or which is very hurting, but you want to sound very polite, at that time you can use this figure of speech, euphemism. Understood?
No, sir. Not understood.
When you want to give a bad news to someone, or
Hmm.
when you want to scold someone, but you don't want to be rude, you want to use some good words at that time, that is called
Okay.
euphemism.
Okay. Okay.
See, I give you one good example. From today onwards, when your friend or anyone who will tell you a lie, don't tell him or her that you are a liar. It is very rude. Instead of that, you can tell him or her that you are telling me a fairy tale. Means
Hmm.
हमने उसकी insult भी कर दी, but we did not even use the bad words.
Yes, sir.
Means instead of telling him that you are a liar, you can tell him that you are telling me a fairy tale. Meaning is same, that he is a liar. So he will not feel bad also, right?
Hmm.
Muhammad, you are fairy tale.
1 minute.
You are right.
What is that?
Yes. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Uncle Keith passed away last year. Instead of saying that he died, we say वो मर गया. But instead of that, we say passed away or
Passed
gone to heaven.
away.
That is a polite way.
बराबर sir.
Which figure of speech is this?
Euphemism. Euphemism.
What? Euphemism.
Euphemism. Okay, sir.
See,
It's a
you know, these days we don't call the people those who are mentally unfit
Yes.
that he is mentally unfit. We call that children special children. We don't call them disabled. We call them specially challenged or special children. And there are
Yes.
special schools for special children,
Hmm.
like that Pramodini,
Hmm.
Mr. David. So he is a special child. Since he is mentally unfit, he is mentally retarded, he is mad, but we cannot call that words. We cannot call him that with that words.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the use of this figure of speech, euphemism, to make something bad sound good? Very easy. All the songs, whether Hollywood, Bollywood, any wood, repetition is used in all the songs, movies
Yes, sir.
mostly.
Yes, sir. बराबर sir.
Any song you listen to it, English songs or any, repetition is used. So
Hmm.
when particular words are repeated in the same sentence for the greater poetic effect, just to make the poem or the song look attractive,
Hmm.
tempting, they repeat the words, right?
हाँ sir.
Very easy. Even fifth and sixth standard can give the answer for this figure of speech.
Yes, sir.
Still, two or three will come which are so easy that you will tell me, sir, don't teach us. We know this. So out of 26, only 8 or 10 are there which are to be practiced a lot. All others are very easy.
Yes.
Rain, rain, go away, go away. Right? You have heard this.
સોરી યાદ નથી.
Poem.
સર બહુ બચપન થઈ ગયું ને સર, બચપન નું હતું એટલે થોડું
I
ભૂલાઈ
hope to
ગયું.
see my pilot face to face. Are the words repeated in these two sentences?
Face to face, rain
Yeah.
rain, toot toot, go away go away.
Repetition.
Hmm.
Next is tautology.
Tautology.
Means unnecessary repetition of the same thing or idea using different words or synonyms. It is faulty. See, if I tell you two words, both are different.
Hmm.
They are synonyms. Meaning is same. Then also I use them in one sentence. But it is not needed when already I have used one word. See, for
Yes.
example, if I say you are a dishonest person and you are a cheater, but both the meanings are same.
Yes, sir.
You are a dishonest person and you are a cheater. So is that the same meaning?
Yes, sir.
So why to use both the words dishonest and cheater in one sentence when they have the same meanings? They are synonyms. That is called tautology. Unnecessarily, it is not needed. Still, we repeat the words, different words with the same meaning in one sentence. It is kind of faulty sentence. That is called tautology. Will you remember the name of this figure of speech? You remember? Read this. You understood or not? You understood or not?